Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this glittered Starbucks cup. These are so fun and easy to make. Throw in a Starbucks gift card and I think they make the perfect gift. Or you can make them for yourself. They are just so cute. I have my own personal collection and I'm obsessed with making them. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and for more video tutorials like these, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching. guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I just wanted to give a quick review on the SPINIFLY cup turner. I've been spinning some cups on it now, so I feel like I could give a good review. I do like it. There's a couple of things that I would change to it. It is different than the Spin It from We Are Memory Keepers. I'm used to working with that one, but this one here, the noise level is a plus. It makes no noise at all. Whereas the Spin It, when it's turned on, the motor, you can hear the motor pretty good. So this is a plus. And it comes with 2 size foams. This is the larger size and this is a smaller one for different size cups, so that's a plus. One thing that I would change, the settings on this, how it spins, the speed settings. It only has one setting. So if anything, I would probably change that. You do have to assemble it, but that's easy. So if I can make any changes or suggest something, I would definitely suggest adding a silicone base to this. Only because when working with epoxy, sometimes you'll get epoxy to drip, and this would catch it, and because when it dries, it'll get stuck, like here. It'll get stuck, but you can scrape it off. It's just a pain to do so. But if it had a silicone mat, it'll just be easy to take off. You see? It literally just comes right off. So that's why in my video you see this green mat when I put it under here. So yeah, other than that, the SPINIFLY works great, and I wish I had like 10 of these. So I will link everything down below so you guys can go check them out as well.